Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not forwarded from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And people, today, I'm not here to diss Alkaline. Today, I'm here to be a professional blogger that is not biased and not buying ass. People. Yes, we're not doing no dissing, but we still are gonna run a little joke aside. You see me, I said? But no, seriously, today I'm here to expose Alkaline, Popcaan, love triangle that involves Skillibeng. And not that type of involvement that you think is a threesome business. No. People, we're going to have to put on our thinking caps because I don't want to call certain people's names. But if you do the maths with the picture and what I'm about to say, you can generally have an idea who I'm talking about, but you won't be for certain because you don't know the thing said. So like I said, people, the reason why Alkaline and Popcaan really hate each other is because of Skillibeng's someone related to Skillibeng. I'll just call her Mrs. Crocs for now. Yes. I'll call her Mrs. Crocs for now. You feel what I'm saying? And people, this is no secret, but people in the circle know what I'm saying is true, and they can put it in the comment section if they want to enlighten the community we got around here. You feel what I'm saying? Yes. Also, them not seeing eye to eye because of that. I explained that, and I explained who Mrs. Crocs is, so we already got the reference key for that. So, like I said, I'm also highlighting some other things with Alkaline. You feel what I'm saying? He does have a son, people. Yes, he has a son that is alive. I know I was the first one to break it to you that Alkaline had a baby mother to begin with, but that one dashed with the belly and claims she had a miscarriage, and that baby has been haunting her ever since. The same girl, Mr. Alkaline and Jacure breed up. You feel what I'm saying? But he does have a son, people, and we'll talk about that later. Also, my industry insider tells me that you fans of Alkaline should be very concerned from the artist, very concerned from the artist. And we heard the baby mother talk about it the other day too. You see what I'm saying? So even though that one is a mudhead, she is still talking some truth. You feel what I'm saying? So yes, people, this is basically an Alkaline review, but it's gonna involve couple players that's involved with a couple other people that we've been talking about. So I know you're tired of me talking and all of these things. So where do y'all want me to start first? Yeah, I know where y'all want me to start first. And I want me to start with relationship business because I want to just a fast up and other people them love life. So all right, people. So like I said, it's no secret, you know what I mean? But you gotta be in the circle. And Alkaline started dating Mrs. Crocs when he was 18 years old. And she was 26, 27, or 28 years of age, you know what I mean? And if you see the girl, she's problems. I'm not gonna tell you no lie, people. The female, nice. You see me? I said, me, when I say she nicer than Jesus Christ, but big up every Christian out there, you see me? I say I'm Muslim and Buddha, but yeah, people. So this is in the earlier stage of his career, and honestly, my industry insider said, she's the one that actually bust him in the business. Yes, business. So anyway, like I said, people, that person is the cause between Alkaline hating Popcaan so much, and it makes sense, people. It makes sense. If you listen to the Microwave song, Alkaline was very disrespected in the verse. He was very disrespectful to Popcaan. He talking about, oh, you lick her pussy and she put her body in your face. And I'm like, why would he say that? No, Vendetta people, put in the comment section what Alkaline said in the first verse there. He said to Popcaan, you lick her pum pum and she put her body in your face, you know what I mean? And then he doesn't mention nothing like that kind of business for the rest of the song, you know what I mean? So, big up myself, industry insider. You proved once again that you're on the right track. But nevertheless, people, the girl is a problem, and Popcaan is a problem. Popcaan always asleep with somebody woman, you know what I mean? Like Yoli, for example. Popcaan was sleeping with Yoli and Yoli was cheating on her husband, the hardware guy, store guy. And Popcaan was even in the man yard eating Sunday dinner with the man and his wife. And yam brown stew chicken and rice and peas. So it's not the first, but the person is saying this is why Alkaline run away from Jamaica and can't come back because of the love triangle. You know what I mean? Because remember, no people, we haven't seen Alkaline in Jamaica for a long time. And when he goes to Jamaica, he's just at like one spot and don't go to no parties, no dance, no club, no strip club, no nothing. He don't spend no money. I'm pretty sure he gives people money in the community and this and that, but you know what I mean? He never go a dance and all these things. So I'm starting to think that's true. And you know a lot of vendetta people will call Alkaline, I mean Popcaan, a groupie. Anybody that him always attracted to. You see me I say, but according to my source, this is the reason why you see Popcaan and Skillibeng become best friends all of a sudden, because I think Popcaan says Skillibeng. I think Skillibeng said Popcaan is like his mentor now, because like I said, people, of the love triangle between Alkaline and Skillibeng and Popcaan with Mrs. Crocs. You feel what I'm saying? And I know a lot of people call Alkaline a B-man and all of these things, but honestly, people, my source didn't mention nothing like that. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, my source never mentioned nothing like that. You see me? So I say it because it's just entertainment thing. Because honestly, me not in no body wash thing. You know what I mean? I don't think no straight man should play with their butt. But whatever you do in the bedroom is your activity, But the person did say Alkaline does have a son. And, the reason why Alkaline doesn't show his son is because, he's antisocial to begin with. You feel what I'm saying? Alkaline is very antisocial. And that's one of the reasons why he's hiding his son. Because we really don't really see Alkaline too much to begin with. He's not really active on social media and all of these things. But my source said they heard from good sources that he's not in good health. And now since he lives in Miami, 1 minute them think of the cancer, next minute they think it's the lean and the pills. But they said Alkaline have a very bad emotional problems and he don't like people. He's very antisocial. And like I said, he has a son, but he don't want people to know because him from what the person says from. Hold on. Let me retract because I'm reading these things live on a timer as I speak, So the person said that he's very antisocial. He has a son, but people don't know because him from what I know from Mrs. Crocs' circle is that they are in contact and she go see him a week ago. She was in Florida, me here, and him and her link up. You see what I'm saying? Yes. So that's the story, people. I'm sorry I couldn't call the person's name, but like I said, if you put the name and pictures together, you'll have the full story, But this is the main reason why Alkaline and Popcaan hate each other. It's not because of Vibes Cartel and Alkaline dissing Gaza, because let's be honest, my father dissed the hell out of Blood Clot Gaza and Vibes Cartel, and Popcaan still the song with my father. You see me answer? You feel me? You know, it's a mess. So you know what I mean. Just giving you the update on that and the love triangle between him and Popcorn, and that he has a son and he does have an illness. So again, people, if you like these non-type, um, no bias reviews, hit the like button. We're trying to make the page look pretty. It makes the video goes out to a broader audience. We're trying to get 1,000 likes. And if you like these non-type of bias reviews, just put it in the comment section. And if you would want me to review anybody else, I'll take into consideration and put it in the lineup. But don't forget to hit the like I said, subscribe, notification bell, ladies and gents. So